What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The 13th of March, we're going to take a look at PNG USD, Pangolin slash the United States dollar daily chart. Tradingview.com here, and Coinbase will be the price data here. Finally starting to get a little pop to the upside, sitting right at some resistance we're going to talk about. Bitcoin hit the 73,000 mark. We'll talk about that, up 2 grand this morning, the 13th of March. Guys, let's take a dive here into PNG. Welcome to the channel. So looks like the selling was exhausted here for PNG, down right about the 35 level. Started to round back up here. And if we zoom in here on the charts, we're sitting, today would be the second day if we don't close above it, that we have candle wicked yesterday, the 12th, as well as today, the 13th, above the 52,400 level. You could see right here, this yellow line, guys. We traded up to it, pushed back down, and then so far today. So that is some resistance. If these markets can continue higher, which they look like they want to, although we are at a Bitcoin target, maybe some cooling off in Bitcoin, and then we'll see some other coins like PNG start to move higher. But anyways, 52,400 is the level we're watching. We want to see a break above that. A break above 52,400 takes you up to 65 for PNG. That would be our next line in the sand that we will be looking for. That would put the price about 31% higher. So I think this thing is ready at any moment now. Maybe we just need the Bitcoin to take a pause from the spotlight and allow some of these other coins here to run, let the money flow, move around a little bit. But, you know, not in control of that. The time will come. Above 65, we have 72,540 to be exact, 72,540. And then above that, we have 88. 88 takes you past the high on the 27th. Let's zoom down a little bit. That would be 88. We also have one up there at 89,120. And $1.06, $1.10. That's way up here, guys. So from where we're currently at to, let's see, we have about a 32%, 70, 47%, 82, and then we have 118 and 125. Those are all percentage returns from where we're currently trading at all of these potential targets above the market. I think things will really start to ramp up to the upside if we can get back above the 27th of February. That's this big green candle here that came in basically resistance at 72,540. Didn't quite make it up here to 89 cents. Once again, we'll throw the fibs on here. We'll take this swing high and just about right there. You can see we are just sitting at the 382 fib level today, which is right here in white, guys. That's basically at like 49, just below our 52,400. And then if we continue on above the market, the 1618, $1.45. That takes you above my targets, which my targets, the highest I have right now, are $1.10. So the 1618 there at $1.45. And let's see, 2618, 347. So this thing has some room to run. So market conditions, of course, apply. But I mean, I don't think market conditions can get any better than they are right now with Bitcoin running like this. Like I said, eventually the Bitcoin will take a pause, money will flow out, and some of these alts will start to really pop off again. Some of them are already doing that, a lot actually. Then we have the 3618 up there at 829. So there's some big targets above the market. So we just need price to move for Pangolin, PNG, USD. Let's drop into Bitcoin. Bitcoin's sitting right at a 73,494. It's actually slightly above that target. That was the next target I was looking for. 73,000 right here. This thing has made an incredible run. If we take a step back, we found support going back down to 38,601. That wasn't that long ago, and we have rallied huge in the past couple weeks. Getting a little reaction right here at the 73,494. We'll have to see if it can continue on, or will 73,494 hold the price back. Don't know. The momentum is very strong to the upside, so we will obviously have to wait and see what happens with that. PNG's currently down 4.5 today, but like I said, from the lows, we are roughly, I mean, this thing is 38% off the lows, guys, and we actually didn't pull back as far as I initially thought, which was potentially all the way down to like 27. So, hey, I don't think that'll happen now, and nice thing it didn't. But this thing is 38% off the lows, so that is good. And just patience here. I mean, these markets are obviously trending higher, so I think it's just a matter of time until we see Pangolin move higher. Keep in mind, this thing had a massive, massive run. The initial breakout, you're 400+%. So to take a pause here for, let's see, this pause has been taking place for, let's see here how many days we are pausing. So it's only been 2 weeks, guys. So a 2-week pause after a 400+% run, no big deal. And markets are still looking pretty healthy overall. Nothing too parabolic in Bitcoin yet. That's pretty much my thoughts, guys, on that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you are not yet, go ahead and join us here. Let me know your thoughts on Pangolin, PNG, USD. I'll be back with some arcblock, XRP, etc. Let me know your thoughts down below. You guys take care.